how to search users on Onlyfans. Hello everyone, welcome to this video where I'm going to show you how you can easily search for users on Onlyfans. For that, I'm going to use the onlyfans.com website, but you can also use their application. So once you are on Onlyfans, you just have to simply log in into your account, and then you need to hover over to the search posts option. Here first you need to type the in your keyboard, and after that you just have to write the name after it. Now let's say you have selected Emma. So once you have selected Emma in the search bar, you will be able to see each and every profile with the name. So you just have to click on the name, and then you will be able to see their profile. Here if you want to subscribe to them, then you need to click on the subscribe button, and you will be able to start following this person on OnlyFans. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.